Hi, my name's Joanne James, the Crafty Owl, and I'm here today to show you how to make a simple stamping welcome card for a new baby in under a minute. Let's go! To create today's new baby welcome card, we're going to use the set Perfectly Paired along with a few key supplies. I'm going to use some Whisper White cardstock, half a sheet of A4 as my card base, an additional white mat that is cut to 8.5 centimetres by 12.9 centimetres, and then also a mat of Pool Party cut to 9 centimetres by 13.4 centimetres, along with a Pool Party ink pad and some Pool Party shimmer ribbon. So all we're going to do is ink our main image. We're going to stamp that onto our Whisper White mat towards the top of the page, like so, to give one single clear image. We're going to take the congratulations wording, which we're going to stamp along the bottom, and that is our stamping done. In keeping to just one single colour, it means we can create our card really quickly. I'm then going to take my ribbon and I'm just going to tie it in a simple bow on this initial top mat layer. So I generally use mine straight from the reel. You can cut a length of it first if you want to. Once you're happy with your bow and you've adjusted the shape, simply snip the ends with your scissors, and then you're ready to adhere to your base. So using my Tombow, I've glued my mat of Pool Party straight onto my white base, leaving a border all the way around. And then I took my stamped and ribboned image, just attached a few dimensionals to the back, and then placed that on the top of my base. And that's my card complete. I also stamped one of the other sentiments from the set on the inside, and I partially stamped the main image on my envelope. No naked envelopes here. This is a really simple and straightforward card to create. You can easily create the same version but in pink if you wanted pink for a girl, or even in a more neutral lemon or a pale green. Check out my blog for more details on how I stepped up both of these cards. In the meantime, that's me, simple stamping done.